In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn thousands of dollars promoting CPA offers on Cpagrip.com. And I'm going to show you how any beginner can use this method to make passive income with CPA marketing. And we are going to be promoting specifically United States offers. And I'm going to show you how to do this with Reddit. And the reason we are using Reddit is because Reddit gets over 2 billion visits every single month, and majority of its traffic is from United States, as you can see right here. So the first thing you want to obviously do is to go over to Cpagrip.com to create an account. All you simply need to do is to enter your basic information and your account will be created right away. Once your account is created, you want to go over to where it says my offers. You are going to see a bunch of offers that you can promote to people in United States. But I highly recommend you go for offers that are available on iOS, Android, and also available on desktop. You can use any offer available on Cpagrip to replicate this strategy, but I'm going to be taking this iPhone offer as an example. So all I simply need to do from here is to copy the CPA offer link, and once you copy the link, all you simply need to do is to use any URL shortener of your choice to shorten the CPA offer link. And once you shorten the link, it's going to provide you with a shortened link that you can use to promote that offer. And before you promote the offer, you want to make sure to go over to Reddit and you want to join subreddits that are related to the offer you are promoting. Since I'm promoting an iPhone offer, then it only makes sense for me to join subreddit related to iPhone. As you can see an example here, this is an iPhone subreddit. You want to also join subreddit like deals. You want to also join technology. You want to join Apple. You want to join smartphones, and you want to join subreddit related to sales. Okay, so now we are going to be taking iPhone as an example. So like I said, you want to click on join to join that subreddit, and once you join that subreddit, you become a member of that subreddit. The next thing you want to do before posting any link is to engage with the community before promoting any CPA offer. And you can simply do this by commenting on posts, participating in discussions in the subreddit, and adding value to that subreddit. This only helps you establish trust and credibility within that community. And you want to do this for 2 to 3 days. This is only going to make the people in that subreddit trust you, and they actually perceive you as a reputable member of that subreddit. Okay, so this post was made 6 hours ago by this member of this subreddit. All you just simply need to do is to come over to the comments and you want to make a contribution to this post. All right, so as you can see, I just made a contribution to this post, and all I need to do from here is to click on comment. So you want to make contributions that are non-spammy and non-promotional, and this way you're going to definitely get a lot of people to upvote your post, and that way you are going to get a lot of people to trust you in that subreddit as well. So after the second or third day of joining that subreddit, all you then need to do from here is to click on create a post. So you want to type in a title like this: upgrade your smartphone experience, iPhone 15 now available. So as you can see, this is a compelling title and it doesn't look promotional at all. So once you then do that, you want to type in a short description that explains the offer. Since we are promoting an iPhone offer, then you want to type in some features of iPhone 15, and you can get this directly from Google. So once you type this right here, so you want to add an image from that offer so that it makes the post more captivating and people are likely to check it out. Once you type in features or details about the offer, then you want to type in something like this. Don't take my word for it. Check it out and see for yourself. So this is where you want to paste in the shortened link, and you want to click on insert. And now you want to then add the image again. Okay, something like this. So this is all you need to do. And once you do this, all you simply need to do is to click on post. So like I said, you want to do this every 2 to 3 days on each of these subreddits. And I can assure you that your post is going to get seen, as most of these subreddits have thousands of people in them. And definitely many of them will go to the offer and complete the CPA offer. And keep in mind, there's a possibility of getting your account banned. That is why you want to make sure to use anti-detect browsers. So as you can see right here, I have a couple of accounts that I am using for Reddit, as you can see right here. So it's not a problem at all if your account is getting deleted, as you can use anti-detect browsers to create multiple accounts every single day.